大家好，我是 Sunny。那今天我们要来带高级阅读第一课关于一个南极洲的湖的故事 ，Lake Vostok. Beneath the white blankets of Antarctica lies half a continent of virtually uncharted territory, an area so completely hidden that scientists have little clue what riches await discovery. Recently, Russian and British glaciologists identify an immense lake, one of Earth's largest and deepest, buried beneath 4,000 meters of ice immediately below Russia's Vostok station. As details have emerged, a growing number of scientists are showing interest, with dozens of investigators keen to explore the feature known as Lake Vostok. A thick layer of sediment at the bottom of the lake could hold novel clues to the planet's climate going back tens of millions of years. By looking at the ratios of different oxygen isotopes, scientists should be able to trace how Earth temperature changed over the millennia. NASA has expressed interest in Lake Vostok because of its similarity to Europa. This moon of Jupiter appears to have a water ocean covered by a thick ice sheet measuring perhaps tens of kilometers in depth. If hydrothermal vents exist beneath the ice, chemical reaction on Europa could have created the molecular building block for life, if not life itself. Vostok would be an ideal testing ground for technology that would eventually fly to Europa or places even more distant, say many scientists. Though cheap compared with an European mission, any expedition to Vostok would represent significant investment. Vostok Station hosts the uncomfortable distinctions of having recorded the coldest temperature on Earth. Thermometer here measure minus 89.6 degrees in July 1983, and the average temperature hovers around minus 55 degrees Celsius. It's the thick ice sheet, strangely, that enables the lake to survive in such a frozen environment. The 4 kilometers of ice acts effectively as an insulation blanket, protecting the bedrock underneath the ice from the cold temperatures above. Geothermal heat coming from the planet's interior keeps the lake from freezing and warms the lowest layers of ice. The tremendous waves of the ice sheet also plays a role in maintaining the lake. Beneath 4 kilometers of glacier, the pressure is intense enough to melt ice at the temperatures of minus 4 degrees Celsius. These factors have helped lakes develop across much of the thickly blanketed East Antarctica. To date, more than 70 hidden lakes have been detected in the small portions of the continent. Lake Vostok is the largest of these, stretching 280 kilometers from south to north and some 60 kilometers from east to west. At Vostok Station, which sits at the southern end of the lake, the water depth appears to be 500 meters according to the seismic experiment carried out by Russian researchers. 好，那这个是我们今天第一课的听读练习，那大家可以回去有空再看一遍。我们今天就先到这儿。